beloved Chikere, how is America treating you? How is your new job? I hope the season snow didn't affect you. It's been 6 months now, and I haven't heard from you. I am worried. You have not replied my letters. Is everything alright? Your mobile number is switched off. I want to hear from you. I want to be sure you are fine. I hope this letter finds you well. Always remember that I love you. Your love, Obioma.
You're still awake.
No, you scared me.
I scared you. You were lost. I only brought you back. What are you doing? What is wrong with you? Lately you have not been your cheerful self. What is the problem?
No, I'm fine. It's just stress from work.
You're not fine. It's obvious you're worried. When was the last time Chikere got in touch with you? You can't answer. Because he has not gotten in touch with you lately.
Mama, he will call me. Maybe, who knows, he's busy with his newfound job.
Yes. He's busy with his newfound job. So busy that he cannot take out a few minutes to call you. Mom, laugh the ball away. Stop deceiving yourself. It's obvious Chikere has found another woman over there.
That's not possible. It's not possible, Mama.
It's not possible. Did you say it's not possible? Stop deceiving yourself, Obioma. Stop deceiving yourself. Wake up to the realities of life. I mean, can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Why are you sitting here deceiving yourself like nothing is going on? The man doesn't call you, he doesn't write nothing. Now, let me tell you something. Don't you think Chikere has been calling his mother? Has it ever occurred to you? But he doesn't call you. He doesn't call you because he's not interested. You're seated here, spending the whole night writing love letter like a small school girl. Stop deceiving yourself, my dear Obioma. If you like, don't go to sleep. Your food.
I'm not hungry.
Obioma, you're not hungry. Why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? When would you realize that it is time for you to move on? I mean, Chikere's silence says it all. He has no time for you. Because mom, forget that man and handle your life and move on. I mean, there are a lot of young men out there that are ready to marry you. If only you would give them a chance.
Why are you hurting me? Mama, you're hurting me with your words. Chikere hasn't said he won't get married to me. Why are you saying all this? Why are you saying this? He loves me.
Hey! Etanola! Mom, wake up. Wake up! Have you not heard of Nigerian young men that travel abroad? And then they come back with white wives. Only to surprise their Nigerian women. He's not even married to you yet, though.
Mama, I have heard you. But I still want to remind you that Chikere hasn't forgotten about me. And he will get married to me when he returns. It's too early for this.
Let me tell you something, or whether you get angry or not, I will be here waiting. And I will sit here and laugh at you when the time comes. Nenonia, Chikere loves me. Ilo, imukwala mweba o. Nekwa ina ya ngwa mambu kwa nejano. As for na magwaroi. Content.
I don't understand that love so foolish for love.
I was sent to your house. Don't ask me that question. I want my money. The only language I want to hear now is my money.
I told you to be patient. Wait. I'll give you the money.
Patient? For how long will I be patient? Oh, you think I don't know that you sent the money to your boyfriend in abroad? Thank God he is making money now. So I want you to call him, tell him to send my money within 3 days. I said 3 days. If you don't send my money within 3 days, I'll disgrace you in this village. I said 3 days. 3 days I give you.
How are you?
Fine.
You come to see me?
Yes, Mama.
How was work today?
Fine. Mama, you're washing.
Yeah.
Okay, let me assist you.
No, I'm almost through. Except you help me to rinse this one.
Oh, okay. How have you been now? Thank God, my daughter.
Hey. Don't leave us, but
Don't worry, I'm here now.
I know.
How can you be knowing me?
This top is beautiful.
It's original.
Yes, it is. Chikere sent it to me. See, he bought so many clothes for me too.
Chikere did?
Not just that, he brought plenty dollars. Can't you see I'm putting on weight now? See, if you go inside, you see slippers, shoes, fine handbags. Like what? Yes, my one praise me. Hey, my daughter. Is the dress not beautiful?
Mama is very beautiful. Mama, let me bring more water.
Do you know Chikere has been sending things to his mother? Chikere sent his mother clothes, bags, shoes. Is this how wicked men could be?
My dear, you don't have to kill yourself. Huh? Don't kill yourself.
What do I do now?
But wait, men are wicked. Maybe one white woman has been occupying his time over there. I've always told you to get a man. Get a man so that you won't get hurt on his return.
Did you say white woman? Black man. I think I can take this anymore. This is unfair. You deserve to be happy.
Everybody is chicken and chicken. There's so many people already outside. I'm not doing it. Let me see you. Black man.
She's not going to die if you act fast. She needs somebody to donate blood. You call any of your siblings to come and donate.
Doctor, my only brother is not in the country.
Look, we have to do something fast. Call somebody, a relative, a friend or something. Or better still, if you have money, let's get some blood from the blood bank. Please, excuse me.
I'm going to come and get money. Yes, I got some money. Okay, that's a good one.
Come in.
Doctor, I have some money here.
How much is that?
6,500 naira.
Hey, that money is too small. So we don't be enough to purchase the blood.
Doctor, please, help me save my mother, please. I want another money, please.
It's alright. Go and see Nozumi, mom. Tell her to get your mother's specimen.
Okay.
Go to the blood bank if she can find her blood type.
Thank you very much, doctor. God bless you. Thank you, doctor.
Something to save this woman. What do we do?
Doctor, please.
What's your blood type?
I don't know, doctor.
Nurse, please take her blood sample and find out her blood woman. Please, fast. We have to save this woman. Please. Yes, come in.
Doctor, I'm afraid there is a problem.
What's the problem?
Doctor, their blood types are not same.
Scheiße. What do we do?
I don't know. No.
Doctor, my mother. She's shaking. Please come on.
Look, let's go and see what is happening. Sobiaba, you have to run to the city immediately to get some blood. We will do something urgently to save this woman.
But doctor, you know there is no way I'll get to the city and come back. It will be late.
Please, we have to do our best. Please.
Please save my mother, please. Mama, please don't do this to me.
I could give my blood.
You can?
Yes, we share the same blood group.
Oh, thank you very much. God will bless you. Thank you.
Forget your problems, forget your pride. We are here for a very short time, so you show love when you can. Show love when you can. Show kindness to your fellow man.
Mama, I need milk. Mama, I'm losing breath.
Come in. Let me help you get up.
Mama, I'm tired though.
I know you're tired, but try and get it, please. Come on. Yes, come on. Sit down, sit.
She's here. Mama, how are you doing?
Come on. My daughter, you are the one who saved my life.
Come on, Mama, it's nothing. We are here to save lives. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. Thank God for today.
Good to hear that.
Be alright. My daughter, you always seem good.
Amen.
A helper will come your way in time of need.
Amen.
You will never die young.
Amen.
You will never die poor.
Amen.
God will surely bless you.
Amen. Take care of Mama. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Let me see you off.
To where? So I'll see you off to the office.
Richie, don't worry. Soon I'll take you to my office. But for now, you have to stay with Mama. Take care of her.
Okay.
Take care of her. See you later.
Okay, bye.
Oh, Mama, she's so kind. I'm so beautiful. What are you doing now? Oh my God, you scared me. Thank God for your children.
Obioma. See, I'm calling now.
I heard you, Abuchi.
Obioma, I'm here for my mom.
I'll give you your money.
Obioma, you have been saying this for the past 6 months. Obioma,
Abuchi, this time I'll give you your money.
How am I sure about that?
Abuchi, I've been saving. I will give you your money.
You've been saving. Obioma, you are working and they are paying you salary. What are you doing with your money? Obioma, how many times did I call you Obioma?
Abuchi, I'll give you your money.
See, the truth is that I am giving you 1 month. In this 1 month, if I don't get my money, Obioma, believe me, heaven will fall. I have just told you.
I will give you. Mama, I'll see you later. Yeah, Obioma.
When are you going to fix that leaking roof that I mentioned to you? You promised you would fix it this week.
Mama, I told you I'm going to do something about it.
You will do something about it. When? When is the question? This morning? Tonight? Tomorrow? I need to know when you're going to fix it.
Mama, I don't have money now, but I'll do something about it.
That is all I keep hearing from you. You have no money. You never have money. You're a working class girl. What do you do with your money? Where do you keep your money?
I'll fix it.
When? Look at the roof. It's leaking badly. Before you know it, will be swimming inside this house. Better do something about this thing and do it fast.
Mama, I'm going. I've heard you, but I'm going to fix it. Is it not just this silly? I'll do it. But Mama, I'm running late. I need to be on my way. Every time this one, that one.
Can't be scared. Working class girl. And yet every time I ask her for money, she says she doesn't have. Something is wrong with this girl. Oh, my friend, I mean.
Obioma! Obioma! Obioma!
What?
Guess. What? Tell me now.
No, stop. Guess now, please.
Your sister, she has given birth.
Guess again.
So what is it? Just guess. Tell me now.
Chikere is back.
What's going on?
Chikere is back.
Chikere is back! Chikere is back!
Mama, Chikere is back.
Is that why she's jumping up and down like a cricket? Mama Chane Kante. Chikere is back. So what? And mom, Waka.
Where are we now?
Chikere is back. I will do your one.
Obioma! Obioma, the month to soon end, oh. I'll come for my money, oh. Obioma, wait for me. Obioma! Ah! Obioma! Help me remind Obioma that the month will soon end. I'm coming for my money, oh.
Smell of smoke. Why are you dressed like
Don't
this?
mind me, I was actually cooking when I heard you were around. So I decided to come and see you. I missed you.
You should have washed up. You stink, putrid, farted.
Honey?
Your baby.
Who is she?
Oh, one of those village bingos that helps Mama always in charge.
And why is she screaming?
Wow, like a village girl, you know, she saw a truck and she screamed. When she sees my Bugatti back on the stage, she got a drop there.
Yeah, baby.
Manslaughter.
Oh my god.
So this is what you're saying.
I don't understand that all Guinea name. I'm a fool for love. I'm foolish for my love. I don't understand why love
Did you hear what he said? I just feel like killing myself. Oh. I just feel like dying.
So you want to kill yourself because of a man? I'm okay. See, Chikere has done what other men do. All you have to do is move on.
Okay. It was so easy. Dikeh, Obioma. Ijeoma want to die. I want to die. I want to die.
Okay, let's go.
Don't you listen to me? Don't listen to me. God is very good. Ijeoma been there for Chikere right from when Chikere was homeless in America. Ijeoma, I sent him all my salary. I took care of his mother when she was ill and hungry. Just last year, I sent everything I had on me while I live under a leaking roof with my mother. Ijeoma, just this past year, I sent Chikere everything I had on me. I even had to borrow from Abuchi. To give to Chikere. Now Chikere requests me as a village girl. Ijeoma, do I deserve this? Oh.
so wicked and ungrateful. You know I've always told you that a boyfriend abroad is not a prospective husband. You know it.
My friends about this. My friends about this.
You will survive this. This is not the end of it.
You cannot everything. You cannot everything.
I don't understand that all.
I'm not surprised. After going to Chikere's house, you're here, right? I warned you. I warned you. But you will not listen. I warned you in Igbo. I warned you in English. I even sang. But you will not listen. You were blinded by love. Crying for a man that doesn't even care for you. What are you crying for? If you don't get me.
My heart is broken.
I told you. I sang it as a song. You sing it again, you refuse to listen. Nonsense.
I'm so ashamed of myself.
Yeah. She's ashamed of you. You can't remember nothing, fella. If you're ashamed of yourself, you will go inside your room, lock the door so nobody can gain entrance. Then stay there and weep your shame away. You're crying for a man who doesn't even know you exist. Oh my God, you're American world. Hey! You're your own. American world. Oh, I see. American
break my heart, bro.
Why are you talking like this? You know how I love and cherish you. You'll forever be mine. Why are you behaving as if I'm going to die in America?
I just feel you won't love me if you return.
Opioma, I can never leave you.
I love you and I'll miss you.
I love you too, and I'll miss you too.
You're not wearing your shoelace.
Don't worry. I'll get a golden shoelace over there.
Okay. Let me adjust your shirt.
Dikeh! Ma, you forgot your shoes.
Mama, I won't be needing these shoes over there in America. I'm going to get better ones, okay? Just take care of yourself. Obiama will be coming around to help you with some domestic things.
It's okay, my son. And you make sure you don't come back here with another woman.
Mama, I cannot leave Obiama. She's my wife.
Dikeh, you can never trust a man until he has gotten all he wants.
Mama,
Mama,
I have to catch up with my flight.
it's okay, my son.
Mama, pray for me.
Let's carry this. I will. God will mind. I carry
You are my wife. You take this one. Okay, Mama.
I'll see you later. You sent powder, eyeshadow, all those beautiful.
Yes, our traditional marriage in
So foolish for love. I'm a fool for love.
Yeah, baby, I'm playing. Come on, let me show you around. Come on.
Please, I'm sorry if I've offended you. Please, I still love you. Chikere, please, if you do this to me, I won't survive it because no, Chikere.
I don't love you anymore. I don't.
Chikere, please, I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this. Oh, please.
As you can see, I said I don't love you anymore.
Okay, no problem. I just want to know what I've done. What is it that I've done to deserve this? What, Chikere?
I don't have time to be talking. Is it a point when someone says he doesn't want to marry you?
It's okay if you don't want to marry me again, but Chikere, please tell me. What have I done? Where, when, what? Why?
You better leave. The face is going to change your heart. She's not better back in the States. If my fiancé sees you, she will tell you. She's not better back in the States.
Why
is she there?
She came to beg for cash. You know, there's a doctrine on the village when you come back to Africa, you beg for cash.
Young lady, I don't want to ever see you in this compound ever again. You got it?
Chikere, please now. Chikere, please. Please.
You know what? Get out. You don't want to see the bitch in me. Trust me. You don't want to bring that bitch in me. Get out.
Baby, kick her ass.
Kick her ass.
Kick her ass.
Get out. Get out. Now. Bitch, come on. Move it up.
And that's my baby child.
You can handle that bitch. You gonna handle that bitch?
She's just a little bitch. Wow. When I saw you in the streets, I couldn't get my eyes off you.
Yeah, right.
You're dope.
Foolish for love.
Where are you going to? Where are you going to with that bag? What is in that bag?
Obioma, you want to kill yourself. You want to kill yourself because of that useless boy. Eh? You just one way. In Apola. Is it the only young man in this village? Eh?
I don't understand at all.